Yingi ya ukwata Mauvoo maitu ndini wa Vilingi wa Mauvoo tema tuku 19 mwini wa 10 mwaka ningilile na miongweli na ile na ni mudhanani wa mundi tukumbanisi Mauvoo makonete udhukumi ndini wa kaunti situ vandini wa kaunti ya Kitui unyaikanya wandawa ukuithi wa uikwati wa kwambia itina wandawa kwatikana sia milioni ya naimwene 10 na ile na yo kaunti ya Masako aimimena undoa kutania kuithi wa itina wa medhanani vudhu gavana wa kaunti ya Masako nukuithi wa yambesi ya iseso ya kunenga mbeukula kwi enendi na tuinganisia kaunti ya Makueni gavana wa kaunti isu ula ni Mutula Junior niwendewa ni udhukumi wa silanga wadho wake hindi katambo kwa taratu manengete wito utukoni wa omundi
ala tukumbanesie ni vamwe na
ni muthena wa kadatu kwa maminista kufika mbe wa mbunge nene kuthuimwa maundu mawiti kwa ila Kitui itina wa kukwata ndawa sia shilingi milioni ya naimwe na 12 aimi kukwatiwa kutethekana mbeu ni kaunti ya Masako atongo ima Kitui kukwata na kuikiria kanani makudhwa aithi mangamile kaunti ya Kitui.
Vilingi wa Mauvoo
Wambita Veronica SYOMBUA ningwitika na kesha rondinda nukwitha itwa ile Mauvoo kwanzia ya meko ndikuya tukwatianie kwisila Facebook ta Mutongo TV, YouTube ni Mutongo TV /FM official nina wikwatio nitukutambania imwe ngina muthia wa Mauvoo maitu kwa muthenya wa kadatu mbunge nene niende ya kuthuima alama na olotilwe ni Musumbi William Ruto kosa miana ya maminista meveani kivathukanyo muthethani wa iyo wandu watano alama thuimiwe vala omonthi alame kithimini ni Kipchumba Murkomen minister wa ukui so ipaitunya wa maundu mawithi ululuko Penina Malonza wa utalii Zakaria Njeru wa maundu maitheka na Susan Wafula uiti makulio mevata kwa me lato wowe anata mathukumite ata itina wa miaka ila mivituku na mena utuika wa kuthukuma miveani ila mekuvikia kunewa na indi Mauvoo sumusiasia ningwitha ndio nengelelia kwa withianu. Gavana wa kaunti ya Kitui Dr. Julius Malombe emwamba na muvea wa uiti na uima wa mwenendi serikali ya Kitui ni wanyaicha ndawa cia kimanza cha shilingi milioni ya naimwe na 12 masivitalini onthe maserikali kauntini ya Kitui. Isiso hii itongwewe ni gavana wa Kitui Dr. Julius Malombe na minister wa uiti kauntini isu ya Kitui WINAKE vala Malombe waweta nukuendea kukilia iwango cia uiti kauntini ya Kitui muvaka kiwango cha kukitana na memu isio yivo kanza Onesmus Chalo nukutuvingwia Mauvoo maitu.
Mobea wao itina wima wa mwenembi kaunti ya Kitui nwambesi SSO ya kwenye chandawa masivitali ni maserikali ya kaunti ya Kitui. SSO la tongwa ni gavana wa kaunti ya Kitui Dr. Julius Malombe emwamba na minister wa uiti serikali ni ya kaunti ya Kitui Dr. WINAKE valanda wa ilasi ya nyajo masivitali ni makaunti ya Kitui sina lato wa kimanda cha shilingi milioni ya imwene 12.
We've got medicines which our people who are lacking in our health facilities, and to flag off vehicles which go the medicine so that they can go to the various distributions. Hizo dawa zipokelewe, they are received formally, they are recorded formally, properly, na zianze kupatiwa watu wetu ambao wameathirika.
Malombe nwamenda maofisa mauiti kusovya ndawa isu na ingia makulia kuwetela ndawa sianyiva masivitali ni kwitene ni kana serikali imande ndawa isu kwitene. Onawe ova Malombe nwaweta kana serikali yakene kutunga uyane atelesya mauiti mandua ni kana alama etoa community health workers na alama thukumia ungua serikali yakene mathumu sukuma uyani ni serikali mbetu vala weta atelesya amena kianda kinene cha kutethesya enendhisyo ni sianduani na muno kumatethesya kukitana Mauvoo alama manana mawithi ululuko mekikom.
Wafanye kazi ile nzuri walifanya, najua walifanya kazi mpaka Kitui. We are the first county to be declared open defecation free. Watu wanavyo kila mahali, mambo ya Moiba ikaenda chini. Kwa hivyo hiyo tutafanya, but we must also accept a stage is reached where people contract these diseases and they need to be cured.
Malombe nwaweta kwithia athania kwa ile uiti kauntini ya Kitui na muvakeni si watho wake wala amenda maofisa ma uiti kukwatana kwa ile uiti na kia yathana kwa ile mawithiuluko ma maofisa ma uiti kauntini ya Kitui na kuokila nje iwango cia uiti no kana kukitana mo wala memo isio kwi mwene nthi.
Is also our early facilities, we maintain them equally. And after those other diseases, tutaangalia vile progressively, because sitaki kuambia watu kesho tutakuwa na unit hapa ambayo inaweza kushughulikia mambo ya cancer. At the moment, the most advanced hospitals which can deal matters cancer ni ile kubwa kubwa. We will start planning so that we can get to those points. Nasikia particularly in our level of 5 hospitals ambayo itakuwa hii hospitali ambayo iko hapa Kitui na ile ambayo iko Mwingi.
Minister wa Witi WINAKE tunake no atungia Governor Malombe Movia kwandwa kwa setambia kuthinikia ndawa hospitali ni ma county ya Kitui.
You took to Kitui residents that in your 100 days of office, your administration will restock all healthcare facilities with drugs and other essential commodities. Healthcare facilities, today, we are witnessing this, that all the healthcare facilities now will be stocked with the essential drugs.
Na kia munini wa Governor County na Kitui Wambua Kanani no amenda maofisa ma uiti na lo kweta tamethi tamevi kama ofisini mo kweta mathina ala methi tomeikomana na monthi no masibitali kauta wala weta ni mambisi othukumiwana ni mekumina mathina ala matakitali methi tomeikwata ila me masibitali ni maundu ma uiti kauntini ya Kitui ni amama maundu ala Governor Malombe bwathania kwa ilia pandu velungu ya mithenya yana imwe ofisini ta Governor kindu kila wambisi ya kuyanisya lili vote Vilingi wa Mauvoo kuma kauntini ya Kitui ni Onesmus Chalo.
Serikali ya kaunti ya Masaku itongowe ni gavana wa Masaku Mwandu wa Vinyandeti ni kwikwatiwa kwa mbisi ya iseso ya kunyai cha mbeu sia kimanza cha shilingi milioni 300 kwa ene ndingili 1.5 ward sio ndesi ina ivindani mbua nini yeteletwe kuwa ndeto hii nene ofisini kwake itinaokwata liua utedio wa shilingi milioni 1 kuma vengine wa Family Bank. Gavana wo iweta hata ukwikidia ene ndini madhini kiwa maikavikie na uvinye waninza miaka yukite. Joseph Kiteka na Mauvoo Mamboni.
Ainene maofisi ni magavana ala meva musini wa Masaku Mwandu wa Vinyandeti niwerekana serikali yake nipangite kutumia shilingi milioni 300 nikenda kuwa mbeu kavina nikatwelekele kukwata mbuga nguvi nikenda kutetheesya aimi kauntini ikwima kuolanga maundu manza aiweta walani otovaniwa kutetheesya misingili 1.5 kuma wodini sionthesi miongoni sia kaunti hii ya Masaku.
This Friday we are giving 1,500 farmers in every ward seeds. So when the rain comes, we are able at least to grow our own food, and we are looking at the seedlings or the food that can grow within the short rains. We have worked that with our agriculture team, and we are sure whatever seeds we are going to plant during this season, by the grace of God, we will harvest something. Rains belong to God, they don't belong to us. So we have long-term solutions.
Wavinyane na kavinyane kala kwa musaada wa sindu muthemba wa maliu kumagolo kwi vengi wa Family Bank sindu ila sina nato wa shilingi milioni 1 aiweta na mekwithwa maisiania kwimisi ila mevinyiye nikenda kwikithia wa mundu no mwe wa Masaku uneso vinyiwa ninza
timutungia mubea kwa liuyu mwatunenga na tuende omwashua kuma Monday ona ti Monday twa naembe na mukutano na DC twase kuma Monday liuyu no thima skulune na tuisisi ona ila family vulnerable nasio inengwe.
By the grace of God, you have shown us goodwill. You have come to us when we are down. When we are up, we will never forget you. I want to thank you for the donation of food worth 1 million. I know maybe our short-term program is to feed our people now, before the rains come. We cannot afford to have our people die because of lack of food. That is why we called you to come and join us in this noble cause of trying to feed our people. But our long-term and our immediate goals are very clear.
No takana kundukula meidi wa maleti muno ni masukulu nikienda manyiwa maikese kuvinyo ni nzame masomoni.
Siana mbingi na hiyo the school nondo wanza. Liwoyo nienda mwashwa no the masukulu nikaenda siana sito siake kwekala mesiene.
Joseph Kiteka, Vilingi wa Mauvoo.
Na tuinganisha kaunti ya Makueni silanga watho wake na ulawi Makueni yunuvikite kilungu cha miongo mwonza na ina katono 11 yulu wayana kuthela uni kuyana na ula utongoesia iseso yu David Onyango ayase silanga usuta utongitwe itina kanata watongiwe itina ni wauwa ikuwa ya corona na kaula windi ya Russia. Ona huyo vogavana wa kaunti ya Makueni Mutula Junior na ula watembea silanga niusu ni umbula uya ula utahedhetwe etawa mutani dhia na silanga usu taukwatiwa kuthela o mituki. Kennedy Mulinge na Mauvoo.
Silanga uwatho wake uloi muvakani wa kaunti ya Makueni na Kitui unavaniwe kuthela muthiani wa mwaka ukwa oyu wikilunguni cha miongo mwanzani na yuluwa yana kuminukeliwa. Mungami munene wa mulati u David Onyango haiweta kwekusya kukumanindito na kwambisya we musele kumevindela waile kwambisya. Nteto siyaki ikuwa mbau ne governor wa kaunti ya Makueni Mutula Kilonzo Junior nila iyi ndamboka yake ya mbe silangani uituna wa kutuweka governor. Vloa wete kwe ya COVID-19 tajingi na change ye kwekusya kwa silanga o.
The dam as at now is 74% complete. And we are at a level where the work that is left compared to where we started is very little. And we hope that we can accelerate this project and finish it sometime next year. Once it is done, it's going to take a while for it to impound water, after which then the water can be made useful to the people.
Vala mulati uyo kanyana kelele mwingi ulokumana na kutuikwa kwa mavia lame kumele vindani ya kuwenza kwa kutumia mbaluti. Mutula Kilonzo Junior wawe tatavena vata wae nende kumanindhewa muthina na masa alaki masilanga o meutoi cha mbaluti ine kanae nende maike kwethe wanawia helame uwa mbaluti ii tuikuwa.
There was a concern that brought the Senate here when I was the senator, which is the blasts. When you are doing it, are they following the procedures? Are they following NEMA laws and license requirements? That they have done. We are now asking the community, and we have requested through the county commissioner and the chair and them that the community be sensitized as to when they are doing the blasts, the time, the day, so that people are aware. And we are also asking the community, and we are going to also participate as county government in doing what is called the oversight in terms of the measurements of the blasts when they are doing it.
Junior honge kulia makivo na nini moko kwa tena na ungami wa silanga onekana kuwekethia kana nende na matavua yolua kutoiko kwa mavia ko ayenda nende ala nombasi wina nangio ni mavia vindani ya kutoiko kwa mbaluti maikithia kana ni maevambe wa mulati utanamba kuthela.
We are also going to get and engage them and what they are calling waste. What they are calling waste is something that we can use as building material for our roads. We are going to get into an engagement as county government with them, see whether we can use what they are calling waste to continue strengthening our road infrastructure. And since I have people here and the teams are here, that is something that we are going to do. We are looking forward to, and we are going to plead the case for their extension of term, because they started late. While they should have started this work in 2013, the work started in 2018. So strictly speaking, they could not have completed within the time that was specified in the contract. And you can see that a lot of work has been done.
Nake county commissioner wa county ya Makueni Mwandu Bavali Oporwa aiweta mesileta ivito ngalama ithekasio nimeukwate na serikali ya county nikana enendea su manengo iloviasio.
We are going to have very close liaison between the county government, the national government, and the implementing body of the project, particularly on issues of CSR and other environmental issues. I also want to take this opportunity to ask the few members of the community who have issues with the land acquisition, 1 or 2 cases, that as National Government Administration, we are here to support them because that can impede the completion of this project.
Ken Mulinge, Mutongo TV, kuma kauntini ya Makueni.
Na tuyiinganisya kaunti ya Kitui atongo imeki uthokanyo kauntini ya Kitui ni makwatana kwikithia kana iseso ya kukuthwa aithi mangamile kuma isioni cia Kitui cha ithio ni aila na valama kule mauvisa mausesei kuongelangwa isesoni iu Uni tina wangusanisio kukusewa mavinda kwa mavinda isioni cia ward ya Mutha ya Kitui cha umeloni wa Sua vala muyumbe wa Kitui cha ithio Recho Kaki Nyamai. Muyumbe wa Kitui cha umeloni wa Sua ni Mrod Mbai na MCA wa ward ya Mutha makusea isesoyu ila yatongwewa ni commissioner wa Kitui Erastus Mbui. Lina Musangi nukutuelesya Mbeyange.
Ni wa operation ya kuvetanga ngamile kisioni kia Mutha Kitui cha ithio iseso ila inambiso ni wa muyumbe wa Kitui kia umeloni wa Sua ni Mrod Mbai. Yu county commissioner wa Kitui Erastus Mbui vamwena muyumbe wa kisio Recho Kaki ni matambuka isioni ila ngamile isi dhito miondani ya andu. Zika yao nisia kuhivetanga andu ni tina wa kutoa isi unena ya nae kalima Mutha soko ni
Mama amepoteza bwana yake na hata waiona bwana yake tena.
Matuku watatu mathelu mundu umwe na ula kwa isitu na wetu eta mutuku isililo tono wa iwengusanizioni iisa ndethe ya ngamile si umambuthu itina wakamwana ka skulu na kukua wa Mbweni waelisa kana maofisa mavolisi ni maende kuikithia kana ngamile ii nise vitangwa kisioni ki.
Tumekuja ili tuweze kufahamu hali ilivyo kisingatiwa kwamba askari wamekuwa pia wakifanya kazi yao ya kuzisukuma hizo ngamia kutoka kwa sehemu ambazo ni mashamba ya wenyeji.
Ingine ume wita na kuyaidhi ama ngamile mavikie kuivitanga kisioni ki.
Tuko wale ambao wameingia sehemu hii waweze kuelewa kwamba pale wametoka labda mashamba ni ya jamii ama ardhi ni ya jamii, lakini huku mashamba yamegawanywa na ukiona sehemu hata kama haina vikingi ama haina segenge iko na mwenyewe.
Recho Kaki ulani muyumbe wa kisio kiene waelisa kana mbikiavu andu mbewa meongwena na dhanza tu kuma Mutha ni moiche mathayo mo kumana na ngusanisio ii.
Siku ya uchaguzi mpaka leo miezi 2 haijaisha na tumezika mtoto wa Kalambani Primary School na sasa tunaelekea kuzika mwingine na watu wamekasirika. County Commission, kiangalia hii karatasi itakuonyesha ni watu wangapi ambao wameuawa hapa, kila mtu kwa jina yake, na hao watu wote ni wa hapa Mutha.
Ingine wavuthise muno siliwa makwani utena mia kana Kangaroo Court akueleza kana ki nikiothothete muno vungulu wa Mauvoo. Ona huyo vano wa kule Ndongo esi akaunti ii kwatane koko nikaenda kumutetea mwenenzi wa kisio ki.
Mitu wa kulige kuna senator nenda kuiwa wazeba senator wa Kitui anumintu mamuona mwentuwa wei senator hasiata nimwenda kuiwa wazeba women rep nunda anumintu ni makuwa wa Kitui na tima muona bebonga ngamila zima imwe zima ilengi zima ya Kitui stipena ngamila wajima nupeta waki mwingi north pena ngamila na mwingi central pena ngamila.
Muyumbe wa Kitui kia umeloni wa Sua nake ni Mrod Mbai ni waelisa kaneti na wa aithi kukuwa kambini sa inyali na kathekani ni serikali ya kati mwakani wa 2019 aithi ayo ni maciokethete isioni iya kutula muti amuma mauvisa mausesei
na game rangers aduba game mewa game reserve ndigatioke kulika mutumalingi onakama mekanike suo Edhiani manengwe amuria azumani mekanike game reserve azumani mekana game reserve.
Baingine wavuthise uneni wa kana mama ekali ni mathoesi aithi miunda akwelesa kana ngamile isi ile kwithiwa kisioni ki.
Bae mundu kuthondia munda wembe wa guideline taithi ngamila nithingale kuwembe wa guideline pe mundu munda wina nariva Ede munde wa roitie munda muda no inga mela tinga tika kele kat like tioke muda odo no doanja tioti doetwa muda tibikangie muda na ndani no kila kat like
Ndini wa ndambuka sito kisioni kini twakomana na umwa mwenenzi na ula wavikia kuweta kanako mananaithi ama umanzanga mele sio uvala mamu vithukia na kumuvua ingekali ani mailisa kanaona vamwana kuveno miunda yo vamwana kuwawa aithi ani makwata eitu na mwaito makomana na mkwa lasima nguripoti ya Vilingi wa Mauvoo Nilina Musangi
Musiaisange wa isu ya lina ni kutunenga ivuso ya umele mataba nini na endi ndithi wandisi okethia o mituki ndukatate kuthivasa.
Wimi wa ng'ombe cia yeia thiri wa kilungu wasia wa mwimi
Pengine wanakusiyo mukeka wakina.
Mukeka usio ukomea. Tumena. Ewa ukomea hata mundu.
Kwete ya mutaalamu tukanena nesia maundu mawimi na
Twele to transplant sasa nata.
Transplanting by Sauteka provided with the Bamindo Vena out right in the field ni wet.
Nondo tuta mina kulika mitwenda wabaluka pyo. Unaona kwenda imonda flat muno kweli onoka tema mbaro ya matambio 5 ndio. Itegemea nondo mbaro isito na kuongamia kigo.
Nima ya kungithia no yende na kwikathia muno ukambani uimi wa kitunguu thini wa kilungu wasia wa mwimi
kuna ana kolele kitungu kibandao ana manya kuna ambia kwa kitungu
kwa wewe mazindulia simbesa
ni mazindulia simbesa
wasia wa mwimi Inengo ni kivathukanio na kinengo cha mundu ni chake usio wa kinengo ni kana ni kindu mundu usiawa nacho na ti undu wosa wa kilasini
musio twakomana nthini wa kilungu cha inengo twikwatiania na mutwaisia wa siathi na muthekania
kile jo kidogo twende Yoko bundi as your drink here. You apart from passing where you know and wang is still not 90. Mena sinduni na sindo na kitu.
Mundu wina kinengo akakosa mundu wa umupata mbau ni kwa kana akalea kumela.
Kuna mrembo mwe unawe na kinengo cha kwana kathesi ndusia nyumba kana interior deco keke waumbe halafu ikasolo. Mbe tukwatiane na producer wa mbali before wambo this school. Nikinduwezi weka nikinduwezi
yumi school yu mambundi asia kindu kila nisi yeye nitakuconfirm kila nisi kana ni jago
Esawa
vyo
Iziva Mutongo TV nitwiyumitie kukwata inengo kivathukanio kwoko na kusiumilia
ni comedian na ni dancer na ni MC
koma na Beti Wambua kilungune cha inengo kila wakatano pambe ya saa 4:30 pa Mutongo TV ngwatanio ya mukamba
Dial *811*466# to get Psalms 119 verse 105 as your skiza tune.
Psalms chapter 119 verse 105. Your word is a light for my feet, ever shining on my way. I have made an oath and kept it to be guided by your upright decisions. I am greatly troubled. O Lord, give me life in keeping your word. Amen.
Dial *811*466# to get Psalms 119 verse 105 as your skiza.
Ni na udhocha ingi musiaisia tuendeye na kutambania imwe vevata munene enendi kuma isioni sia Kangundo na Matongolo kusuvia ndongo kana miveleki ondumwe na mitambo ya usukuma kiwu na kutethesia kukitana na thina wa kiwu ula wende na ukusiwa isioni kivathukanyo oni kwianana na mwene kivila wa ngwatanio ya kunyaita kiwu Kangundo na Matongolo kana ula wisiweta Sami munene Sami ni waweta kana enendi alama endeye na kwananga milati ya kiwu muno nimekuothothia thina wa enendi na kwete wasio munene na waungami wa milati ino kwithiwa na ivinda yumu kutungia mitambo ila ivikite na kwanangwa. Boniface Mutisia ni watumbanisia Mauvoo.
Unyivu wa kiuwende na kumbela na uthinya enendi ngisioni kivavanyo sia Kangundo na Matongolo aine na itino wa kutoa isione na nyana enendi mwene kivila ngwatano ya kunyaicha kiwe makawasko isioni ithisile no asakano nginya enendi na momethewe metho na kusuvia muno kula matonya ukwata kiwu kuisuvia na kuisa ukwata ni thina munene mbeange
nundu wa kusuvia kiwu na kumanyana undu tailite kuthukuma ivindani yi yumu ila ni kumu na kiwu kinapata na kienda kiwu ki withie nitakwataniana public mindo process ya ngalalia kiwu no yende nikienda tuonekana itikwata kiwu tikaendea na kunengana kiwu kwa wingi kienda nukithia ni makwata kiwu na tikulia stakeholders wothe alama ina kiwu na alama tena kiwu nikienda tisuvia kiwu kila kivo
Noende na kuelesekana vena thina munene wa mama enende ala methitwe maitonya miveleki ya kiwu na kukitonyelelia miundanio na kigutuma aingi maenende matafikia na ukwata kiwu ila mena kikana wailuwo kikwata
miveleki kutilangwa vandalaiziwa na oingi kukua ikoywa ikaendwa nayo na kutonywa kiwu nikienda kitike withini cha vanda mboka na yethia andu alama ilite kupikiwa ni kiwu mayupikiwa onthe kwa ulitana na niya yulu wa kiwu na nitewa ni yaka na kiwu nikikusuviwa nikienda withia kila mundu ni wakwata service
eweta kana ngwatani ino ya kiwu ni vangite nesa kwa ilia kula kuminanite na kwanangwa na kwikithia ngekana na mwenendi ni mavikia na ukwata kiwu ivinda nila itialite mbua na yokuvika na enendi kukwata kiwu kwa wingi
WINAKE ninokie pambausi ya vandalaiziwa na panel sia kuwa sia kiwu na mita sia stima sia kunwa sia nangwa na mita ya pambu ya kunwa ya nangwa na miveleki ya kuwa ila ya SYOMBUA ya endwa na yo latina connected nundu wa kutilangwa kwa miveleki na ndini wa boma kuwa mwango ula wa pamba usisu na mathina huo
kwitha miveleki mingi na mitambo ya kunyaicha kiwu kana sola ithito ya nangwa ni enendi aingi eweta kana moni mavikie na ukwata wasio munene na vewa lusilikali kethiwa yose ya matambi alame na muvongo waendea na kwananga kana kuvita na mali ya mwenendi
whether ati na estimate ya 3,100 gilimana atatu ndini wasinu ila inaanangikie na nitinethiwe na mbarasa tina chief area tinetho nundu ita report hiyo polisi na polisi manetho mebo na yuki utiende na kuconnect nikienda timanenge kiwu yule nana ngitwe wana ngona yulu muno na yuni chote ende na kusawia
Mutongo TV kuma Matongolo na Kangundo kaundi ya Masako nyanito boni Mutisia.
Musumbi wa katano wa nthi ya Kenya William Ruto ni waikithisia Kenya na muno asovia masindu kananu kuikithia mitalatalani ethiwa ya kwaila nikenda kwatiuka vikie na kukila Ruto iweta kiu kikatethesia kuongela lato kwa sindu na kumantha myanya ya mawia kwa mamilioni ma amwika alama tena undu wa kutethia
20% of livestock in the world through this one incremental
big picture about some of the panelists. Linus has mentioned access to finance, operational efficiency.
There is absolutely no reason why today we should not be a champion in the whole leather products space, because We are slaughtering 3 million livestock every year. We have the third largest herd in this continent. Yet, we are importing 110 billion worth of leather products into Kenya. It completely doesn't make sense. As has been said here, we can increase our revenues. We can increase the contribution of leather to our GDP from the current 15 billion to 75 billion because we have everything to make that a reality. I want to promise you that we are very clear about what we want to do in the leather space. We are very clear about what we want to do in the textile space because we believe that therein lies the opportunity for us to create jobs and create wealth. And therefore, this conversation this morning is a very important conversation to me and to every Kenyan that is listening to us. You have said yourselves very ably, we have 16 million kids in school. They need a pair of shoes every year. We have, we only produce 4 million pairs of shoes. Never mind all the leather products that would come with it. And we have the raw material right here. The raw material is rotting, and yet we are importing leather products, shoes, using other people's hides and skin when ours is going to waste.
Ivinda yesilikali vamwana makundi kivulokanyo maende na kunengane liwa utethyo kuyene ndhiala vinyene nza yukulo ni womwa kulakwi andu onthe mathuime sindu kana liula unenganwe ni kana maikanengane maliu kuyene nthi utona umathua kana kumongela thina ukulo womwa ni kundi imwe ite ya kisilikali ya mbaitu ila itetheisye amaitu alaku na siana nduani ya chaume tala matungulu kunengane liu vamwe na mbeu sia kuvanda valana mwala makwatie utethyo usu mendie silikali ivikie na kunaicha maliu kwa mituki misinila itena ukwati isioni kivathukanyo. Boniface Mutisia no kutuvuvia.
Itambia hiyo suweni ama ikundi kielelo ni cha kutethesya kuolanganza evindani ukite kuivo kumanenge mbeo ya kuvanda evindani ya mbua ovamana kumanenge liu kwithiwa ingi momatena liu mekwatia mesini yona maendena uvinye kaninza
kunengana liu tunengana mbeo mbeo sia upanda evinda imbua yukite na liu wa uya ni nzie moya kumina ku try ku reduce kana kumina nza ila thikuo nundu andu vinda ye mbuete namba kuukua kwina nza mbinge na andu nimeua moyo na nimakulia mashirika angi metamena maundu ma muthemba no tambaitwa ANC nima welcome wa kutala manengana leu nikena andu maitu methe mabonie
Zevende na kwaliuka na isiombingila siya kwatewa kulea uvendu kwa nasivikie na ukunika muno kumona na ilungu ya saya kukosambua uyonika utethi munene kuyenende alama tena leu na maende na udhenika ni chao ya
shirika ya mbaito maumete ni akamba maitu ala mekala USA na ala mekala Canada kondo wa mubango umuseo maetie wa kunenga andu maitu leu evindane thene vinda kwina munyao ila kwina a lot of climatic changes na kwina nza na kwina thina wa leu kwilelesani mesani kwina thina
anengine noni natunga muvea munene kwa ngai nundu wenda na mbenda ni weka no twendi ijonde anengi opamwe no kigundi kila choni endini matutumie liu ibinda yanza kaya mathime na imone oseo anengi tukule serikali tunaikisie liu kukwinza nene muno
Vani menda tongo ikuma silikani nene la kaundi ya masako mwana makundi yangi na makosa matamia na kutonya nila isioni siya nduani kuzizeni mewa mekwenda utethyo na kufikia na utethya la vinyeku
kwa serikali ya county na national government tiemu kulia ibindane ye kwina nza na kutena liu mutethesya na inji makwate liu ile mbetani yo kamba kwina ukame ile mbetani yo kamba yonthe tukwate liu tukwate liu nikenda andu maitu maekyo staff
Yu nimeendala methwa na muvango wa kunyekisia enenthili na makwithwa mausisya nesa na kwisuvya na unenga enenthili gutonya umathwa vilikanwa kana enenthi ingi nimeendee na kwenda utethio indi no kwisa kumana thina nthini wa utethio ula mekwithwa maikwata kuma kwi andu kivathukanyo
weka analysis twethia mbemba nzio la meotesa but now need to realize it on from our end be andu angi meotake advantage ivinda yekwina nza makanenga andu maitu liute musio twenda kumatavia tume it is not right na andu masisie maambe yonenga na utethio kwa andu maitu makanenga na liu musio nikana andu makethia na afya ya mwili na maketha matia wau
na mpua ni minute miaka kauta yuwa kwa iwango nini kana kundu kungi kalea uvika na yu ethona mwatongo nyimende na ulikila na utangi na thina uende na ikumbila enende ingi ukethwa utania na ingi na mo ethwa enende nimeuvikia na usaitambe na kuvanda tene na kuitana miunda yo na ngetha ukethwa na ingi undu wa kwaila muno kwi enende la maende na uvinyika Mutongo TV kumavaa matongolo kaundini ya Masaku nyene tawaboni.
Maofisa ma polisi kisioni cha Kiambu ni makwata mitungi ya ngasi ya kuua manaratu na ile kwisilwa hata ya ungei na ile kwata niwe na esililwa eli isesui twaiwe kiokoni itina wa mutandithia umwe huko na livoti kituoni cha polisi kana nduka yake ni tulilwe na kwasi mitungi yonthe ya ngasi esilwa eli musungi wa nduka isu na ndeleva wa iloli.
Kanta white in color, which was coming out from a store gate. They managed to block the city vehicle, and when they stopped the vehicle, the driver stopped, and there were 6 people. 4 managed to escape, 2 were arrested, that is the driver and the watchman. And they managed to bring the vehicle at the police station, where they had already the criminals had already taken 301 filled pro-gas containers of 6 kg, which is about 632 shillings and 100 shillings. At a value, wholesale value, and the vehicle was brought to the station. The ones who are in custody will be able to lead us to the direction on where they escaped to and where we might get them. According to interrogations, we have realized that this gas was supposed to be ferried up to Kariobangi in Nairobi, and I have understood that the owner of that store and Harrier complained that again they had stolen the same gas, of which we didn't manage to arrest.